Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Buick Enclave Convenience Group. Stock number Z9899X. 22,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This convenience group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Auto dimming mirror and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6-liter V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.